Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to clear internal storage on any Android phone. So right now I will show you some different methods to clear your Android phone internal storage. The first method is go to your gallery, and now from your gallery you have to delete unnecessary videos and audio files. So select them and go ahead and just delete them. And once you've deleted those photos and videos, you have to delete them also from your trash folder. So tap on this menu icon and here tap on trash. Also from here you have to delete all of them. So tap on edit, select all and tap on delete all. And this was the first method to free up your iPhone storage. And after that, go to your file manager. Once you are in your file manager app, scroll down and tap on trash. And also, if you see any files are available in this trash folder, you have to delete all of them. And after that, the second option is to clear your iPhone storage is you have to go to your Android phone settings and here scroll down and tap on apps, and here you have to open heavy app. For example, I'm opening this Call of Duty app, and here scroll down and tap on storage. And here, as you can see, this Call of Duty app cache file is 153 megabyte. So all you have to need is just clear cache for all of your heavy apps. And then go back from here and again search for another heavy app. So I'm opening Google Chrome browser and the same way tap on storage. And as you can see, Google Chrome cache storage is 693 megabytes, so it's a huge storage. So all you have to need, go ahead and clear your cache files for all heavy apps, and that's how you will be able to free up your Android phone storage. Also, you can uninstall unwanted apps from your Android phone to free up your Android phone internal storage. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.